Hello everyone, welcome back, and I hope everyone's doing really well. We've actually finally got summer here in the UK. We've had a few days of glorious sunshine, and my little dog Glory has been a little bit too warm. We took him for a little walk along the coastline. I'll show you a bit of video of him enjoying his walk in the evening sun along our beautiful shoreline. It's absolutely gorgeous here at the moment, although today it's heading up for about 26 degrees Celsius, which for us in the UK is actually quite warm, isn't it, guys? So I'm keeping cool and faffing around with some more wire. So today I thought we'd have just a quick look at these cute little links that you can use for things like bracelets. I'm making this one here with some bugle beads as you know, as sort of joining the stations, if you will. And I'm going to make this one into a glasses sort of cord type thing, you know, that you put around your glasses for my mum. How cute is that? These guys are really easy to make, okay? Dead simple. Okay, so we'll go through literally the list of materials is tiny because it is just a little tiny link like so. Okay, so let's have a look what we need. I make these guys out of 1.25 millimeter, which is 16 gauge. Ignore that. I'm not sure why I wrote 18, but it's actually 16 gauge. I'm using bare copper wire here, which is soft. Half hard would be fine, as long as you've got the hands that can cope with it. And all you need really, apart from that, is a pair of flush cutters, obviously. You'll need your 6-step bail making plier. The one I'm using today is a 2 to 9 increment one. So the measurements that I'm giving you today are based upon this particular size plier. You'll also need a pair or two of, probably just one actually, your favourite chain nose, okay? And I think that is it just for this little cute link, okay? You might need a bench block and hammer just to give it some texture on either side if you choose. I like to do that just because I think it looks nicer, but it's entirely up to you. So that's optional. Okay, so we'll go ahead and make this guy here. So I'll see you in a couple. Okay, so here we go. Let's get into it. I just thought I'd show you that you can use these little links for earrings like these as well. So you can use them for all sorts of things. Really versatile, dead easy to make. Okay, so I'll just pop those out of the way and move this one out of the way too, so that we're not getting disturbed by anything. Right, so all you need to do basically is to bring in your 16 gauge wire, give it a good straighten, like so. Just pop these up here. And then you just need to take your ruler and measure out your 6 centimeters of wire. Okay, so make sure that we flush cut both edges just for neatness. There we go. Get rid of that. Okay, so this is super simple, guys, all right, but really effective. So you have your piece of 6 centimeters of wire. I'm going to be using the 4th and the second step on my pliers. Okay, so the middle bit is the second step, and the larger is the 4th step. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to come in with your 4th step. On one side of the wire, just grasp it so that you don't feel it at the end, like so, and literally bend your wire around to make a P. We've done these numerous times, haven't we? On the other side, you want to do the same thing in the same direction, so that the two little P shape, the two loops, are in the same direction. All right, so around, so that we have this shape here. Really easy so far, okay? The next thing you need to do is to come in with your second step. With, obviously if you're right-handed, do it the way I'm doing it, but if you're left-handed, just obviously just reverse what I'm doing. So the second step wants to be on the left, and the 2 loops need to be facing towards the right. Now, when I was messing about with the Egyptian bracelet link that I've made a few of, I just thought I'd have a mess about and see what would happen if I took, you know, you make an Egyptian link, it's kind of like that kind of affair, isn't it? So I just thought if we mess about and move these guys further, but then further still. So all you need to do is to wrap them right round like so. So it almost looks like a bow tie. And that is absolutely it. I mean, so simple. As always with my channel, I like to bring you really simple but easy to do pieces and components that are not only cute but really versatile. And that's basically it. So we'll do a quick second one. So straighten your wire, flush cut the end, and measure out your 6 centimeters, which is there. All right, so come in with your 4th step, end of the wire so you can't feel it, rotate your wrist around, excuse me, same with the other side, so you can't feel the wire, around and about like so. So you have this, and then you come in with your 2nd step, all right, and bend so they meet. If you want all of your components to be equal and go in the same direction, pop the top one over the bottom and literally just bend around until you're happy with the shape. And that, my friends, is that. All right, so have fun making those. I know you're going to get lots of use out of these guys. You can use them this way along to make bracelets, necklaces, that kind of thing. You could use them that way along and use jump rings in between, that kind of thing. All right, so have fun with those and let me know in the comments what you make with them. And I will see you in my next video. I know this was a quick one, but I'm quite busy this week. And as you can probably see from my fingers, I've been doing a bit of anxiety picking this week. So hopefully things will pick up in the next week or so. So I'll see you soon, guys. It's nice to have you here as always. Bye.